at the webcam. I've opened up the page, and can you see it? No, you can't see it. See it. And the last image was 14:59:59, so 3 o'clock. It's now 3:28, so hopefully it's every half an hour. If it's every hour, we're sitting here for a long time. Okay, we'll just have to see.
Said they had to wait. The last time it had updated was 3 hours before them.
Oh shit. It does say on the web page that you can just take a picture.
Oh, does it?
I don't like doing that, but it says if it's not working, you know, how long do we gotta wait?
This one said we arrived at 4:15 at the webcam position. It wasn't clear how often this camera refreshed. So we set our flag up on the bonnet of the car. We waited until 6:30 when we decided to head off down the road.
Shit.
And in those 10 minutes, the camera refreshed.
Oh.
That's like Murphy's Law.
Well, what I say is you bring your truck up here, just sitting in the front of the truck, because you can get your image sitting in the front of the truck.
Yeah.
Right?
It said we dashed out so then they booked a hotel room. We headed out again for another attempt at 9:30, but no luck on this occasion. I woke up through the night checking the webcam and saw it had refreshed around 5:30. We dashed out, or 5 a.m. We dashed out at 5:30 a.m. and just missed it. We headed out for 6 a.m., but it had refreshed at 5:37.
I think I got good news. Hold on. Go back.
The two of us?
Gerlach webcam.
And Dave.
And
Dave is just...
I don't see me.
And Karen's walking over there.
Webcam. Well, can you take a screenshot? Because I'm not seeing it. What am I missing?
Can you see us?
No.
Refresh the page, or go away and go back in.
Well, I thought I did that.
I can send you the picture.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm bringing the webcam back up.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't. I'm glad you got it, because I don't.
See?
Yeah. Yeah, I
This
got
is
it.
the-
Yeah, I just looked at it.
That's the feed. There.
Yeah,
What if you and
yeah,
touch?
I touched that and I did that, and it didn't work. Anyway, we got it. The webcam's there. Yep, thanks. I'm glad we had a teammate along, because mine wasn't working. So where's Karen? Oh, she's way back
Karen's
there.
way at the back.
Oh, okay. And I'm... What the hell am I doing?
Looking for where the thing is supposed to be.
Oh, it looked like I was just walking away from the camera.
Okay,
Go figures. Webcam image captured, number 99. 99. I know. I'm bragging.
You are. I'm so jealous.
I don't have a picture.
Wait till I go to Germany.
Dave, can you send a copy of it to
Yeah.
me?
Mine and Karen's finally came through. There it is. Look, see? Look.
Keep watching, there's more caches to be found.
And where will geocaching take you?